Alright, so this is like 3-4 days later since I recorded my previous clip, and I actually sold the white car. Guy paid me a good amount for it, so I just got rid of it. So now I'm getting a new daily, and we're actually on the way to get it right now. And I will show you it in a second. Alright guys, so a little update on the car. I took everything that was wrong with it off. Already got some new parts for it. Got the whole front end basically. Primered the hood, so hood is nice and primered. I'm gonna paint hood, fender, and a bumper tomorrow. That's the broken parts. On the inside, it's fairly clean. Airbags popped. I'm gonna be looking for those. Car does start. What else? So basically, everything that's here got bent. This thing got tweaked a little bit. The frame was okay, so frame wasn't damaged. Car starts, has nice aftermarket air filter, has exhaust delete or muffler delete, has 63,000 miles, so pretty happy with the car. So yeah, also starts, drives fine. Still looking for a couple parts. Headlights are coming in the mail. All the radiators and crap are coming in the mail. And tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys how I paint them. I'm not a professional or anything. I just learned how to paint kinda by try and error. So I'll show you guys how I do it, and then hopefully helps you. Alright guys, so this is the paint room I use, and I have all the 1 series parts prepped for paint, and I'm gonna spray them quick. Hood is upside down because it's gonna be silver underneath also, so then I'll spray it silver without clear coat, just base coat, and then I'll flip it and then paint the rest of it. And then I'll try to show you, I guess, how I paint. Maybe if there might be too much overspray, so we'll see. But right now I'm gonna mix my paint. Alright, so I mixed the 1-to-1. That's what I recommend. So I use this column right here. So I put 7 parts of paint and then match it with 7 parts of reducer. Now I gotta mix it up real well because it has metallic in it, and spray it. Alright, so I have a base coat on it right now, and it looks great. And right now I'm gonna put clear coat on it. Alright guys, so this is it. It's nice and painted. I didn't spend too much time on prepping it, so it has some imperfections, like that little scratch right there. But you know, from even like this far, you can't see it anymore. So it looks great. I hope it matches the color of the car. If not, I'm gonna have to blend the door. But basically, now I'm waiting on the rest of the parts to come in for the front end, and I'm gonna put it together. Alright guys, so far I put the hood back on and this fender, and it seems like it's matching pretty well. I have bumper almost fully assembled. I still have to put the grills in. Switch the radiator. I had the sensor. I had like some kind of block here. So this one came without the block. So I just put it inside the fins and zip tied it. So it's nice and sturdy. I have to buy a new plug for it, but just got the radiator or fan in the mail. So I'm gonna assemble fan on here. It's pre-assembled. I still have to put stuff back on the hood to be able to latch. And I got really good deal on new headlights, so I assembled them on here already. So right now, quick, I'm gonna finish assembling this part, try to put it back on, and hopefully maybe drive the car. So far it's turning out very well. Alright guys, so everything's assembled on the radiator side except one of these basically brackets that holds everything together on this side. It was shattered, and I didn't realize it was missing, so I ordered one, and it's gonna be here on Monday. So I did everything as far as I can so far on this car, and I'm gonna have to wait until I guess Monday to finish it up completely and assemble the whole thing. So right now I'm gonna call it a day and finish this car. In the next video, fully assembled, everything's gonna be on the car, ready to go, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to flip a car from Copart. I'm sure everyone knows about Copart and everyone is doing it already, but so far this car cost me $5,000. As it is right now, plus registration, it's going to be another like $200, and then it's going to be ready for sale. But I'm really happy with it, super clean inside. I guess tune in the next video for the rest of the assembly, and basically you guys see how it's going to look in the end. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Goodbye.